Hello and welcome to a quick update here just after the daily candle close for Ethereum. Ethereum delivered today, or no, yesterday actually, delivered yesterday on the assumptions that we would go higher. Key target or first target actually of this C wave was the 1250 level, in that range here, 1255 actually. That was the 1-to-1 ratio here between waves A and C. Just to show you that again, that target was certainly reached, which is a good sign. So I mean, I would expect a high at any moment now. Surely we could push higher in a wave 5, but then I mean I would expect a top at any moment. This C wave doesn't need to push any higher. Yeah, please understand that. That's why I set my stop losses quite tight here. And this, yeah, I mean, I'm still at the moment looking for and expecting a move up into the 1300 level range, sort of 1305 maybe, you know, sort of around the $1,300 level, because this is, as you can see here, the 1.618 extension. But the C wave, yeah, this 5-wave move here in yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it shouldn't move any higher. If it does, it is something more bullish that could actually push us then into the $1,400, $1,500 region, but at least then I would expect the move down. So yeah, all eyes now need to be on that $1,300 level really, and on the support area, because we've got this yellow support area here, which is still relevant, because there is a little bit of uncertainty on the lower level time frame here at the moment. It could certainly be, and that is unchanged from the previous video. After my video, we saw a little bit of volatility due to the FOMC meeting minutes that were released. But as you can see, other than a little bit of short-term volatility, not too much happened. So it is a bit difficult because the wave 4 here could be in, the wave 5 could be in. With that, we completed the higher degree wave 3. Now it could be looking for that wave 4 to the downside. Okay, so if that is the case, where would the wave 4 take us? I think that's also unchanged from the previous video. Here into the region between 1251, which we reached already, and 1230. So what this makes it makes it so difficult, because the wave 5 was actually not long enough. I mean, there is not really any rule about the length of the wave 5 in Elliott Wave, but the guideline said it should have moved at least to 1280. Okay, we came to 1270. You know, it certainly could be in that high, but it wasn't the ideal target. Had we reached 1280, I would be able to confirm to you that with a high likelihood, the high was in. Okay, but as you hopefully understand, I can't, because we didn't reach the ideal target. It's possible because the wave 5 moved above the wave 3 high, but yeah, it's difficult. So now we've come down, hit the 23.6% retrace, and also the yellow wave 4 could be in now, because looking at the length of the third wave, it reached basically the expected target. However, again, without breaking above 1270, we really can't say that. Ideally, to get a bit more clarity, we would now move a bit lower. If we now touch, for example, 1239, and then move up, I would say, okay, wave 4 was done here. So again, this is now the relevant area for the fourth wave in yellow between 1230 and 1251, which consequently means whatever happens here in the short term, yeah, we can't really say for sure which wave we're in at the moment, because there is a bit of uncertainty, as you hopefully understand, there on the short term at the moment. But what is relevant either way, we need to hold 1230. If we break below 1230, it would put this scenario that we will move higher in a wave 5, it will challenge that seriously. Anything else? Yeah, that would challenge it, and the next support would then be down here around the 1207 area. If we lose that as well, then we're probably going to come down and go towards the $1,000 range. So that's critical now to hold that. And that's everything I want to say really, because there is not much more to update since the last video. However, I still wanted to give you a quick update. I hope I clarified the key support levels, the pivot points, the target area to the upside. And yes, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.